Welcome to our channel. Today we how to fix Netflix profile lock issues. Quick fix step by step clearly. Open Netflix on the device where the profile lock is causing the problem. Confirm you are connected to the internet and try loading any title to rule out a connection error. Sign out of Netflix completely from the current device. Close the Netflix app or browser fully so it is not running in the background. Restart your device to clear temporary glitches that can keep the lock screen stuck. Open Netflix again and select the lock profile. Carefully enter the correct profile lock PIN and press Continue. If you do not remember the PIN, choose the option that says Forgot PIN or Need Help. When prompted, enter the Netflix account password to verify you own the account. If you are using a shared account, ask the account owner to enter the password for verification. Go to Account Settings from Netflix, using a web browser if the app does not show all options. Scroll to Profile and Parental Controls and select the profile that is locked. Click Profile Lock and choose Change. Type the Netflix account password again to continue. Uncheck the option that requires a PIN to access this profile if you want to remove the lock. If you want to keep the lock, set a new 4-digit PIN that you can remember easily. Save the changes and wait a few seconds for Netflix to update across devices. Return to the Netflix app and try opening the profile again. If the PIN prompt still appears, sign out again and sign in once more to refresh your session. On a smart TV or streaming stick, use Get Help or Settings and choose Sign Out to ensure a full logout. Clear the Netflix app cache from device settings on Android, if you are using Android. On iPhone or iPad, uninstall Netflix and reinstall it to clear stored data. Update the Netflix app from your app store to avoid bugs from an old version. Update your device system software if an update is available. Check the date and time settings and set them to automatic, because wrong time can cause login and lock issues. Try the same profile on another device to confirm whether the issue is device-specific. If it works on another device, keep troubleshooting the original device by reinstalling or resetting the app. If it fails everywhere, change the Netflix account password to force a secure refresh and then try again. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.